Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Cider AI, a platform that's quietly become one of the most powerful tools for research, productivity, and creativity. Whether you're a student, writer, researcher, or just an AI enthusiast, this platform might just become your new favorite sidekick. Let's explore what it really can do. We'll talk about the pricing as well as the pros and cons. So let's get started. At its core, Cider is an AI-powered assistant that works across your browser and devices to boost productivity. But this isn't just another ChatGPT clone. It combines multiple advanced AI models like GPT-4, Claude 3.5, and Gemini 2.0, letting you choose the brainpower behind your tasks. It started up as a powerful Chrome extension, but now it's become available on Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, and all major browsers. So whether you're researching, you're reading, or writing, Cider's right there with you. Over 10 million users and over 100,000 5-star reviews are a clear sign that it's doing something right. It's even been highlighted by Google Chrome, an editor picked in 2025, for its innovative design. But what really makes it stand out is how deep and flexible it is. You can summarize YouTube videos, you can scan PDFs for answers, generate visualized reports, edit images, you can even translate text and even build your own AI-powered knowledge base, all from one place. So let us dissect all these features one after the other. Now let's go over to the main features. Deep Research Agent. This is one of Cider's most powerful tools. Just give it a topic or upload a file, and it will automatically gather sources, highlight key points, generate citations, and build visual reports, which is perfect for students, journalists, and researchers alike. AI Sidebar for browsing. With the browser extension installed, you can highlight text on any web page and instantly get explanations, summaries, or even translations in over 50 languages. It supports a bilingual reading mode, great for language learners. YouTube and PDF Summarizer. Do you have a long video or document? Cider can summarize YouTube videos and interact with PDFs like a chatbot. You can ask questions and it pulls answers directly from the file. WiseBase Knowledge Hub. Think of this as your personal AI notebook. Every search, chat, or document can be stored in WiseBase, helping you keep all your insights organized and searchable later. AI Image Tools. Cider has a whole suite of creative tools, from generating images from text, removing backgrounds, to upscaling blurry images. These are incredibly useful for content creators, designers, and marketers. Multiple AI models in one platform. You're not happy with one particular AI's response? You can switch between models like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini with a click. It's like having a debate panel of genius assistants. Isn't that awesome? Now let us talk about the pricing. Cider offers flexible pricing depending on how heavily you plan to use it. There's a starter plan at $4.2 per month, the basic plan at $6.7 per month, the Pro plan at $12.4 per month, and the unlimited plan at $16.7 per month. Yes, for this unlimited plan, you get unlimited basic credits and unlimited advanced credits. This is the best value if you use AI daily. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Cider AI? Let's start with the pros. Multiple AI models on one screen. Cross-platform and browser-friendly. Excellent tools for research, reading, writing, and image editing. It saves users over 8 hours per week on average. And it is beginner-friendly with clean UI. How about the cons? The credit system can be a bit confusing at first. Some advanced features are locked behind paywalls. There's a learning curve to using all features efficiently. But overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons, but it's worth exploring at your own pace. Here comes a question to consider. Is Cider the best AI assistant? Honestly, if you're looking for something that goes beyond simple chatting, something that helps you research faster, summarize smarter, and write better, and organize your knowledge base in one platform, Cider is in a league of its own. Its integration of multiple models, powerful reading or writing tools, image editing capabilities, and the cross-device supports give it a significant edge. That said, it's best for users who want depth and control over their AI workflows. If you're only looking for quick chats, it might feel like overkill. But if you're someone who constantly toggles between content, research, and creation, this could become your ultimate daily companion. So there you have it, a full breakdown of Cider AI, one of the most feature-packed AI platforms in the game right now. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Notion AI, Perplexity.ai, and ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.